How to review group posts and comments activity on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group posts and comments activity on Facebook Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click settings and now go down. Here you will find this one, activity log, and then click here, groups, communities, events and reels, and then click group posts and comments, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.